Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung sino ang nagsimula ng Samsung. Okay, may Samsung na TV, may Samsung na relo, ito Samsung to, and then may Samsung na cellphone. Okay, if you want to buy pala, dito yung products. Okay, ang nagsimula naman dito sa Samsung ay walang iba, ay si Lee Byung-chul. Okay, talimang bansa ulit. So ang lesson learned na makita natin dito is diversification ensures survival. Okay, so kailangan nating i-diversify if we have more money na. Okay, like for example, you have a millions or billions of money, so you need to invest another investment. Okay, but hindi mo lalagay lahat. Like for example, yung isang tray ng itlog, andun yung pera mo. Huwag mong ilalagay dun lahat. Dapat, okay, magkakaiba. Para pag yung isang tray kasi, pag nahulog yan, lahat damay. So dapat merong isang or dapat magkakahiwalay. Okay? So, yun lang naman. If you want to buy this book, click the Facebook page official in the description. Salamat po and God bless.